Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're looking to part ways with Booking.com in 2025, you've come to the right place. Maybe you're switching to a new travel app or just want to tidy up your online accounts. Whatever the reason, deleting your account is straightforward, but it's important to do it right to avoid any surprises. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps step by step, so you can handle it in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Booking.com account on their website or app. If you haven't logged in recently, go ahead and enter your email and password. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Look for something like Account or Profile Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see options related to your account management. There should be a section for Privacy or Account Security, and that's where you'll find the Delete Account button. Click on that, and Booking.com will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. They'll ask why you're leaving, maybe for feedback, so feel free to select an option or skip it if you prefer. Before you hit that final Confirm button, double-check for any active bookings or vouchers tied to your account. Deleting your account might cancel ongoing reservations or make it harder to access your history, so resolve those first if needed. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. You'll probably get an email confirmation from Booking.com to verify the action. And just like that, you're all set. Your account should be permanently deleted within a few days. Remember, if you change your mind, you might not be able to recover it, so think it through. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone. Word count 345.